Can prepaid drink cards improve cash flow for pop-up drink stands? Yes, prepaid drink cards can improve cash flow by securing payments before the actual service or product is delivered. Prepaid drink cards work like a promise from customers to pay in advance for drinks they will buy later. This helps the pop-up stand get money up front, which means they have cash on hand to buy supplies like cups, ice, and ingredients without waiting to sell drinks first. Imagine if you wanted to sell lemonade at a fair but needed to buy lemons and sugar first. If you had prepaid cards, people would pay you before they even got their lemonade, so you would have the money to buy what you need right away. This is especially useful for pop-up stands because they often have limited time and space, so managing cash flow quickly is very important. Another interesting fact is that prepaid cards can also encourage customers to come back and use the card again, helping build loyalty. Some stands even offer small bonuses or discounts for prepaid card users, which makes the deal more attractive. This way, it's not just about getting money early, but also about creating a steady flow of customers who trust the stand. One common mistake with prepaid drink cards is not clearly explaining how and when the card can be used to customers, which can cause confusion and dissatisfaction. It's important to make sure customers understand if there are any limits or expiration dates on the card. Another issue is not tracking the card balances properly, which can lead to errors in serving drinks or losing money. Using simple software or a notebook to keep track of sales and redemptions can help avoid this problem. Also, some stands forget to promote the prepaid cards well, missing out on potential early cash flow. Making sure customers know about the cards through signs or social media can increase sales significantly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer their estimates.